Welcome to Ray's Repair Zone. You want to see some magic? Just stay tuned. You see there's two different textures here, or colors. The top one, a nice shiny projectiles, and the bottom ones are kind of tarnished. They're not bad, but I am going to show you some real magic here. I'm going to take one of these. I'll take this guy. Now I made a mixture of, all it is vinegar and a splash of salt. Probably, I don't know, I just dumped in maybe, I don't know, teaspoon, and a little bit of dish soap. Here's that bullet. And we took it from there. We'll take this, we'll put it in here, and you watch how quick this little sucker, it's magic. Look at that. Now, if that isn't magic, I'm going to dump it over here and dry it off. Can't see the depth here. Look at the difference. I'm going to dry it off here. Look at that. Now, isn't that crazy? This is going to be a short. You guys, I don't know what to name it, but we'll do one more. Oh, we're over a minute already. So I only left it in there for a couple seconds. If you want to get it nice and brighter or whatever, I guess you can leave it longer, but I'm using pickling vinegar though. Pickling vinegar, it's a little stronger. And a teaspoon of salt and a splash of soap. Now, who would have thought of that? I did some looking online, did a bunch of reading on reloading sites and stuff, and you don't even have to tumble them. Hope you enjoyed the video. There's going to be more. I don't know, I got lots on the go here, but I'm thinking you guys will enjoy this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.